Hello, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexus and Company. Let us know about Article 21 of Indian Constitution. What is actually talk about? First, we know about what is Article 21 is. Article 21 defines the right of life and personal liberty is assured by the Indian Constitution. This is a very important and wide topic and has several implications for the citizens of India. Article 21 talks about protection of life and personal liberty, that no person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. The fundamental right is available to every person, citizens and foreigners alike. But Article 21 provides two rights: right to life and right to personal liberty. The fundamental right provided by Article 21 is one of the most important rights that the Constitution guarantees. There are some few cases under Article 21, which is A.K. Gopalan case 1950, Minka Gandhi versus Union of India case 1978, franchise Corali Mullin versus Union Territory of Delhi 1981 case, Olga Telis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation 1985 case, Unikrishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh 1993 case. The court gave list of rights that Article 21 covers based on every judgment. Some of them are right to privacy, right to go abroad, right to shelter, right against solicitor confinement, right to social justice and economic empowerment, right against handcuffing, right against custodial death, right against delayed execution, right against doctor assistance, right against public hanging, protection of cultural heritage, right to pollution free water and air, right of every child to a full development, right to health and medical aid, right to education, protection of under trials. There are so many rights under this articles. Right to life and it's actually connected with right to life and suicide. Section 309 of the Indian Penal Code makes attempt to suicide a criminal offence which is punishable with imprisonment and fine. There are many debates on whether this should continue, since mental health experts have argued that people who attempted suicide needs adequate counseling and not punishment. So there are so many things which are arguing still in these cases, that right to life and suicide. And the other thing is right to life and euthanasia. There are many debates or whether the right of life also extends to the right to die, especially to die with dignity. Euthanasia is a topic that is frequently seen in the news. So Article 21 talks about many things. If any of the doubts, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.